Hey, what's up guys? Luke Profits. What is policy compliance with relation to Amazon dropshipping? Well, when you're dropshipping on Amazon, there are three main categories of metrics that you need to keep in check. And those categories are customer service performance, policy compliance, and shipping performance. Policy compliance is the second one and is generally the least difficult metric to keep in check. It's basically just your total number of policy violations on the account, and they break it out so that you can see, which different categories they're in. Usually you only have issues with this when you're selling brands that you're not allowed to sell, or knockoff items that aren't genuine, stuff like that. If you're following all the information in my videos and using the software that I recommend, like RepriceHub, which keeps you safe from IP brands. Also, I've done a whole video on IP brands, so go ahead and click up here to watch that. You should be seeing something pop up on the screen right now that you can click, and that'll open my video on IP brands and what they are and how to avoid them in a new tab. If nothing's popping up, then I probably forgot to link it, so go ahead and leave a comment down there and just remind me so that I can go ahead and do that. But yeah, if you're following the information on my channel and you're using the software that I suggest, you really shouldn't have issues with policy compliance. Well guys, that's it for the video. If you're new to dropshipping on Amazon and you're trying to figure out how to get started, I've got a full free set of training videos down there, link in the description. Goes over everything you need to know to get started dropshipping on Amazon. And Amazon's great because compared to other platforms, it's actually super easy to get sales with very few listings because there's so many more buyers on Amazon and so many few sellers that you're competing with compared to other platforms like eBay. If you've got any questions about anything dropshipping related, feel free to hit me up on Facebook. I'll put a link down there, as well as a link to a group that I started that has hundreds of other dropshippers in it that you can join. I post new content on this channel every few days, so go ahead and subscribe and hit the notifications, and I'll be back with another video in a couple days.